it, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Go to Sigwin. We have done all this. Okay. Sigwin is installed. Install dependencies is very important. Okay. So what are they asking us to install? Curl, GCC core, GMP, Devel, libgmp, make, Python, Python crypto, Python OpenSSL, Python setup tools, Git, Nano. These ones they are asking us to install. Okay, that is fine. Then they are saying easy install pip. They are saying pip. Just can you type? We will not do 2.7. It is better to get to 3. Can you type? Can you guys type Python on your Sigwin? Python.
Okay.
Is it Python or Python 3?
Mm, Python. Python 3.7.
Python
Yeah.
3.7, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is
Abhijit,
showing the
yours?
version. Yeah, it is showing the version Python 3.7.
Okay. Yeah. So we will say install hyphen 3.7 pip. The type pip 3. Is there pip 3 already there? Pip, PIP, pip.
Pip.
Pip is like a package manager. Okay, just like RPM, which we have studied, it is like a Python package. Everywhere there will be packages.
No command found, it says.
Okay, pip, just pip.
P PIP, right?
Yeah, pip.
No, it says not command not found, it says.
Okay,
Same one for me.
same thing for you, right? Yeah. Okay. Then in that case, I think all that you guys need to do is better
Install,
follow
right?
this instruction. Let me see if there is one where we can do it with Python 3 because that way we'll have all the sometimes uh, Sigwin, Ansible using Sigwin, everything should be virtual. I'm just trying to see if setup easy, which pip, no, no, pip 3. Sigwin, we need insta Sigwin pip 3 is better because you guys already are on latest. They're all using Python 2. That's the problem. Okay. Python. Pip 3, just a minute. Easy install hyphen 3.6.
Easy pip
So
3.6 pip.
yeah, 3.3 and above is 3.5 is 3.8 is better. 3.6 and above Python is more this one. Okay.
This is your question. Wait,
Win Ansible. Okay. So now that we are getting better with Unix environments, what we can do is just like yum, some Linux versions have like Ubuntu or Debian. Yum we know, right? We know, right? Venkat and Abhijit, we know yum. Okay. There is apt for
Yes,
Debian.
sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Seems to have, yeah, basically Sigwin seems to have, so is Ansible coming pre-installed with it? No, it's not. No, I don't think it will be the pre-installed. Okay. So Sigwin seems to be having uh, seems to be having the more involved way. Easy way, what is he saying? Easy way is download the following thing. First way, more involved. What is the easy way? Second way, easy. Easy install 2.7 pip. Pip install Ansible. Now let's pull down Ansible from GitHub. Change to the latest stable version of Ansible. And then they are setting some bunch of properties here and installing Ansible. Easy way, pip install. Easy way they are saying is this one. Basically easy install pip install Ansible. That is Python is pulling all the packages and then it is doing the Ansible this one. Why Python is getting important is everybody is using this one only. Uh, Larry Smith Jr. Right. When packages. So that Sigwin is good because that will give us a Linux environment anyway. Okay, except that Yum and others we will have to go to cloud and then we can do the exercises. But for bulk of that, we are comfortable using Linux because AWS 85% of the systems are in Linux environment. Using Sigwin, we got the Sigwin. Download, no, this is something else. It is, they are saying, okay, they are basically installing all the Python packages. They are install the setup.2.exe, I think is just like our yum. Okay. Once the Sigwin complete, but that is Sigwin is done. Okay, that is Sigwin installing. Then they are saying pip, which pip to, and then they are, this is the new method easy install. Okay, trying, I think this is the best one, guys. All right, this guy's article is seems to be the best one. I am sending the chat window. One of you guys share the screen, okay, so that like I can see what is happening. Okay. Okay, open that and we'll start doing those tasks. Anybody can share their screen, please. Abhijit or Venkat, anyone.
You, I think I also have to make it a little bit harder.
So basically here we have,
But then you see this together.
Okay.
No, this together is going to be really hard.
So,
I think, yeah, the
so
first package, the first step they are asking us is if we copy that line,
this one,
setup
this line.
and yeah, that line, what is happening is all the packages which Ansible requires, just like yum, all the dependent packages, they are they will come. I think just do a copy paste. That should be like highlight everything and copy paste, and then take it to a notepad. Yeah, like that better, right? Yeah. All that they are doing is first installing all the packages that are required for Ansible. Yeah, take it there. Yeah,
Uh, is that correct?
yeah,
Everything?
that is fine. And then Control C.
Okay. So in the Sigmin, I have to execute this.
Yeah, install it. Yeah, yeah, enter.
So it comes with Python as well, or it's saying
Python,
Python.
Python is already there, I think. Python, you already have it. I think
Yeah.
Sigma already comes with Python. Yeah,
Okay.
It doesn't come with pip, but it comes with
Oh, it says comment not found.
setup. Okay, this is a problem now. Okay, I think there was another article where, okay, after circling back around somewhere, once the installer has been downloaded, you need to run the permitted, once the Cygwin installer, open the Cygwin to open the Cygwin bash prompt. Okay, go down. No, no, now simply run the following he is saying, right? Okay, which pip, pip is not there, no? When we type which pip, we are
No,
not
it's
getting.
not working.
Which pip?
Which
Okay,
which
it is
pip?
there. No,
No,
no, no pip, no pip.
no
Okay,
pip
no
in
pip.
there.
And also all the things are actually like Unix paths, user local bin, everything like, okay, this is good. So it is giving both Windows paths are and Unix paths, which is good. Okay. All right. So then as long as we have a Linux environment, I shouldn't have any trouble. Let me see. Sigwin.
Pip install pip to
Uh,
install Ansible.
we have to,
First,
main thing is we'll have to install pip first. I tell you,
first
this
we
is
need
better.
to download, right? The
This is
pip.
better. This is better. First is we need to install pip. You already have Python, right? Okay.
Yeah,
So I think what is happening is they made Ansible as a Python package. So if we just do pip install Ansible, then everything should be able to come. Okay, just a
pip
minute. Let me
install
install. Let me find
Ansible.
how to install pip. Install, because what is that? Pip is same as yum in yum that I taught you, right?
Yeah,
Yum, Maven, like that. All the
Ansible.
package managers, there will be some zip file or jar file or anything which will automatically pull up all the dependencies and put it somewhere in the repository. Okay.
So we don't have that command. First we need to get pip installed, right?
Yeah, pip, that is what I am just trying to find. Installing pip, pip and that too.
Yes, Python.
Pip is a package installer. You can use pip installing Python. How do we install? डाउनलोड नहीं इंस्टॉल चाहिए राइट हाउ इंस्टॉलिंग पिप पाइथन
Install get using Ansible.
yes to install pip they are saying this one python get pip dot py okay here I'm typing like this python get pip dot py python 3 better go there
Python get pip.
yeah go to the ansible shell
Okay.
sorry the
Uh,
that shell
okay. Okay.
python
Python get pip. Oh, this can't open the file. Pip get
dot py
error. No such file or directory.
first we need that get pip how do we get pip
Get. Can we
yeah,
use get?
download get pip on PyWire, download the file to any desired folder you can save. I think it is better. Yeah, just do a curl on this.
Okay.
Do a curl. Just do a curl on the. Okay, I'll give you the command.
Curl get pip dot py.
I'll
Get
have to teach you guys curl and wget because that is the better way. Okay, get pip dot py. Uh, yeah. Okay, just type that command
this.
curl minus o get pip. Yeah. No, no, just copy and paste that command. What we are doing is somebody has written a program to get the pip command. Okay. Yeah, just do a curl on that.
Okay. Just copying that from another screen.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, go back and type the curl. Just type, copy and paste the command that I sent in
Yeah.
the chat.
Name. No, curl command not found, it
Curl
says.
is not there. Wget, try wget, see if there's a wget.
Not found.
Wget is also not found. Huh? Okay.
M.
All right. So then in that case, wait, we need pip.
GCC is there, I think.
No, no, GCC is fine, but GCC is like a C compiler. Just a minute.
Is it? Okay.
How to install Python for pip? Ansible चाहिए अपने को. Ansible Windows. Okay, what is the official documentation saying? No, no, on Sigwin we want. We don't want it. First we have installed Sigwin. Okay. Better. There is a setup tools. No, Sig. Switch to again to Ubuntu. We don't want Ubuntu, right? So the apt install and it, this is stupid, right?
GG install pip.
Easy install. Easy install. Is there a
Type the
see
commands.
this setup? Is there a setup file at all? Okay, after circling around, you can do this much. You will need to download.
Okay, first we need to get download the pip
Okay, you need to
package.
download. Where is the download?
User B.
Okay, there is this file. Okay, we have to download this file, but how will we copy it? Okay, do a find and okay, this guy, if you go back to the article that I have given you, right, Venkat, the article.
Which one?
No, okay, app sig install Python 3. That
That
we
is
just do
that
that
is
again.
we have already Python 3 we have, right?
Yeah, but it is not bringing the pip along with it, right? That's the problem.
Okay.
But yeah,
No,
AppSig is also not formed.
pip
That is Sigwin shell only, or is it Git Bash shell? Is it Sigwin shell only?
Sigwin. Yeah, it is Sigwin.
Okay, so nothing comes here. There is no curl. There's no wget.
Pip to install upgrade.
Go down. No, no. What he's saying is, no, no. I think better follow that old guy's procedure because I trust him. He's nice guy. Okay, Ansible using Ansible on Windows. AppSig.
This one. CD Python CD. Ansible. Easy install Ansible. First we need to get pip, right?
Yeah, yeah, that is fine. Go up. Yeah, yeah, that is Ansible. That is fine. Eh? Go up.
Git clone
This
Ansible, that is Ansible.
saying easy install. Is there a easy install at all? We don't have easy install either, right?
No, we
No.
tried this one.
Okay. All right. Okay, so go down. Let's go down. Let's go up. No, that's not there. I think easy. No.
Yeah, it's not there.
Type Z.
Okay, easy.
E, I don't think it is easy there. Easy is not there.
No,
Okay. Right. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go the first way. Go back to the first way. See
Which
what
one?
he is.
Like,
This one you need to no. Here he's saying you will
like,
need to download 8664 bit somewhere and not run it yet.
Not run it yet. Once the installer has been downloaded, you are ready to run the installer package automated with the following.
X8 X64 అది ఉంది కదా X64 64 bit right click on it and say click open in new window.
This one.
Yeah.
That is to download Sigwin, right? Let's see.
Winner. Okay.
Page and use the download to executable.
Yeah.
Click yes button. Yeah, that is to download the Sigwin.
Okay. So what he's saying is before installing Sigwin itself,
Sigwin toolsets to download install instructions.
what he's saying is just download the tool, but when you're downloading it, then run setup.exe anytime you want to upgrade.
This
Okay,
is
then you okay, run. You have that setup.exe, right? You have that file somewhere.
yes, I think.
See, what he's saying is instead of running setup.exe, which will by default give us the installation, he is giving us all the packages that are needed for Ansible. Okay,
Okay.
understand, right? Instead, but what we have done is we have already clicked on that thing, but I think there is a way to upgrade. Uh,
Okay. Here.
One
Mm,
thing, I think what we need to do is either uninstall Sigwin or, but I think you have that Sigwin, I think file somewhere, right? That's how you guys might have installed Sigwin, right?
yeah.
Okay. When we click
Okay.
on it again, what will
Yeah.
happen?
So we have a file here.
That yeah, click on it,
Okay. Run as administrator.
right? Yeah. Now it will say upgrade. We need to pick up all the packages that he's asking us.
Don't say upgrade, right?
Next, yeah, next.
Okay. Download without install from internet. Install
Okay.
from local directory. Install from internet. Okay. All users. Just for all users. Okay. It's from downloads.
Okay,
So,
then he's in direct connection. Yeah, we are direct connection, right? We are direct connection.
and then
And then,
package.
yeah,
Here we
but
need to select a package.
it will choose the default one and say next.
Okay. Last time I selected this one.
Right, that is fine. Next. Yeah, next. Oh no. Okay, close this. Close this. Close.
Cancel.
Don't need this. I
Okay.
think what we need to do is look at that guy's command. We already have it. All that we
Okay.
need to do is open a shell in Windows as power user, as an administrator user. I think there is a way. Abhijit, do you know how to open the shell as administrative user? Like the Windows command?
CMD.
CMD, but you should say run as administrator. Right click, run as administrator. Yeah.
Okay.
Ah. Now go to that setup dot and just go to that downloads folder.
Okay. Uh, CD downloaders. No.
No, go to cd cd
LS is not recognized on the in.
cd okay, cd go to the downloads folder wherever that setup.exe is there.
Okay.
Downloads
CD
exe.
is not working here. Down.
Because go to that that window, that Microsoft window, just cd copy and paste that path, the downloads path.
Okay. This
Uh,
one.
Yeah. Okay, just copy and paste that path and then we'll run that command. What he's saying is instead of running setwing dot this one, I understood what he's doing. Okay. Now go back to his command. His command.
Mm,
No, go back to his command. Yeah.
which one? I think this one. Oh, not that one. This command, right?
Yeah, just right. Yeah.
I think I have it in the notepad. Copy.
Yeah. Now what he's saying is all the packages that we are required will probably come. See, it will say downloading all the GCCs, Python pip, everything will come. That's what he's saying. But he's also saying that if Python is installed within the Windows, you may need to, if you use the incorrect pip. Okay. We'll do a complete pip path. Okay. We'll do the which pip and then do the complete pip path. What he's saying is basically if Python is already installed, you may run into issues, but that's fine. I think it's now downloading all the packages. What he's saying is let us download all the packages and once we have which pip, we will simply say pip to install Ansible. That is it.
Okay.
That's what he's saying. Let us see. Because pip will do all the hard work of installing Ansible automatically. Even that's how I installed. They package the entire Ansible as a Python package and it will automatically do the installation itself.
Okay.
Wait for Abhijit, wait, don't do anything because only if this is successful, Venkat will
Okay.
help and then I will create that SSH keys for you on those two machines. You just give me the URL of those DNS of those two machines in this
Yeah,
chat.
pinged you. I have pinged you.
Oh, you ping me in the other chat, in personal chat, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, two, okay, one, only one. Okay, you have one instance now. Okay. I think I already have SSH key, but first let us sort out this Venkat's issue, and Venkat can guide you, and then I will look at your SSH thing so that we'll have all the environment sorted out that way. Yeah.
Even that SSH thing, the password issue, right?
That I will see what is happening.
Even I tried to do the same way from connecting to the one ECC 2 instance to another ECC instance
Mm-hmm.
using a different user. Actually, instead of Prasad, I created Anna, and then that is causing the same as what Abhijit got it. It's asking password.
It's asking password, right? Okay, we'll sort
Yeah.
it
So
out.
only thing is when we create a directory manually, that SSH one, dot
Yeah.
SSH, then it
Copy it or
seems to
did
be
you
a
do SSH copy ID?
not copy ID.
You went and changed the authorized keys file, right? Okay.
Yes, yeah, yeah. For one user, it is working
On
fine.
uh,
Yeah.
like if we get into the user folder, we are not finding SSH .ssh folder. So we are creating that, right?
Yeah, then
Yeah.
it is
Manually
causing.
creating
Yeah, in
manually creating that is causing the problem.
yes, that's correct. Yeah.
Okay. Then there must be SE Linux final issues. Okay, we'll sort it out. Don't worry, I'll sort it out.
You're reinstalling, no? Sigwin, right?
I think it is actually reinstalling Sigwin, or maybe it is just getting all those
All the
Python.
packages, yeah.
We don't know that yet. Finished, huh?
A-
Is it there?
AI is closed, window is closed. It says
Windows
ending.
it is finished. Okay, all right. Ending Sigwin install, changing GID to administrators, running Sigwin. Okay. This is how it happens, is it? Okay, now let's open the Sigwin window and see what happens.
Let me close this one. That's the old one.
Okay, then we'll open a new session. Sigwin terminal, yeah. Now let's do pip. Let's see pip. Shit.
No,
Ah, God. Which pip? Which Python? Python version? Which Python? Saying which Python? Python.
no. P.
Python. Python. Python.
No, I'm
Python.
thinking 3.7.
Version is 3.7, right?
GCC,
Exit.
yeah, and Sigwin.
Yeah. So now let us do exit out of this one,
It's not defined. It's saying
which is not defined.
pip.
Pip is not defined. Okay. Exit. Exit. That's what, like exit. Like that. Like exit or control D, whatever. Okay. Pip3 is also not there now. Just type pip3. Ah, it is there. Okay. Pip3 is there. Control C. Control C.
Yeah,
Okay, then just type which pip3.
bin
Okay,
slash
good. Okay, just type pip3 install. Okay, and then I think if we have pip3, that is all the more better. Just a minute.
install Ansible.
Yes, Ansible is incompatible with the versions, but I don't think it should be. Pip3 install Ansible should be all right. Just a minute.
Pip,
Installing
pip,
Ansible. Da, 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 da.
pip. Is that pip 2?
Yeah, just a minute. Installing.
Pip 2 is not there. Only
No,
pip
no,
3
installing
is.
Ansible with pip3. Paramiko, in order to use Paramiko connection or modules that install it, if you wish to Ansible globally, run the following command. There is only getpip.py. We don't have this one. We already have Python. We have the get. I think all that we need is this one. Python 3 minus m pip install Ansible. Sudo, I think sudo. Do you have sudo privileges on the Sigwin terminal? Check.
How to check that one?
Just do some command sudo bash or something.
No.
Okay, command is also not found. Okay, that is fine. I think Sigwin is that is fine. Okay, just type. Let's try that Python. Instead, just type that command. Don't type sudo.
Okay.
Just type Python 3. That's all you say. I gave you one command right in the chat window.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Copy and paste that because pip I think should do the work. Instead of
Three,
Python,
right?
let's do Python 3. Python 3. No, no, leave that.
We don't
Yeah,
have pip, right?
yeah, yeah, Python 3 is better.
Python 3
Yeah,
mention
yeah.
pip 3.
If you say minus m pip, right, that should do because it knows that it needs to pick up pip 3 automatically. Yeah.
Okay.
What's happening?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So warning, you are using the pip version 20.1,
that's fine.
21.0,
That's
however
fine.
the
That's fine.
version.
That is fine. Ignore the warning.
Okay.
Okay,
So
now requirement already satisfied and everything. Warning evo. Then now I think everything should be fine now. Just type Ansible now. Ansible. Yeah, it is there. Right, Ansible. Type Ansible minus V version. Yeah, that's it. Right. Okay. The Ansible is already there. Right. Yeah. Type minus V. Okay. Good. Modules do not.
missing target hosts, he said.
Do not make sense. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Ansible is there. Minus minus version. Type Ansible minus minus version. Or do one thing. Ansible. Do Ansible.
Yeah, it's at 2.8.
Ansible version 2.84 etc ansible.cfg and then it is running fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are here.
Yeah, we have a
Now what
Python.
we need is okay, now Abhijit machine let me sort out. And then what I will have to do is we will have to have two things. One, first, can we do a SSH onto the local from the Sigwin environment? Let us do a quick test by trying to do a SSH onto the do a PWD. Say who am I? Type here who am I? Yeah, just do a PWD home HP. That means it is good. Okay, it is creating a home directory for you, which is very good. Okay, all right. So what are the two things that we need here is we need an SSH key to log in as Prasad. Do you have SSH key for Prasad somewhere and you can get in into this machine, into this environment?
Uh, like from ECC2 to here or here to ECC?
No, all that we need is, you know that SSH minus I,
Yeah,
Prasad dot
SSH. Yeah,
into
minus I.
your into machine where Prasad is there. But
But
we
Prasad
have
is there in ECC,
we
EC2
need
instance,
RSA
right?
key. Is that RSA key?
We need to get RSA key to here, copy, right?
We already did it right yesterday. We have that RSA key somewhere on our local machine, right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, it is there. So do you want me to copy to here?
Yeah, we need to just test it out with the SSH key.
Okay. To, okay, to test it, we need to copy a RSA key to here or like.
We need to copy. We don't need to. If you know the path to it, we can put SSH. Like for example, the command
Okay.
is SSH minus I key
Yeah.
path.
Okay. Okay, let me go to the path of that.
And then it should be Prasad at the rate EC2 instance, like this.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So here I have this one
Yeah.
path.
Try, that is fine. Just copy that.
Ansible
But I
slash Prasad.
in Unix, you have to replace everything with slash C. Like, I'll tell you. Copy. Okay. Take it to the notepad. Take it to the notepad.
Okay,
Okay. I think if you tap paste that there, it should be. It should be. I'm typing it. It should be like C slash learn Linux slash Ansible. See, like this. Do a ls.
okay, okay, okay.
Even wait. It should be slash c like this. Yeah,
Okay. So we need to give to Prasad RSC, right?
yeah. And then on the slash c, yeah, copy. But I think there should be slash in front of it. Just do ls minus l on that first of all.
Here.
Yeah, yeah. ls. Are we able to access it? ls minus l on. No, ls minus l and the path.
ls minus l.
The key path. Basically, just to check that it is there.
No, can't find it.
All that we need is slash c. Slash c. Yeah.
No, can't
Mm.
find. No such file directory.
So how do we get this home directory here? Like how does this map to the Windows? Do a path.
Uh,
Do a ls slash c. What is saying ls?
ls.
Yeah, slash c. Okay, so echo
No,
dollar
can't.
putting the Windows path. Echo dollar
Give C slash it will give.
Which one?
C colon.
C colon, huh?
c colon slash is it? C colon slash.
Yeah, C colon
And
slash.
in
Yeah.
that case, yeah, just do that ls minus l. అదే ఇంకా అర్థమైంది కదా సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ స్లాషెస్ లైక్ దట్ ఓకే ls minus l then there should be learn linux there should be ansible there is learn linux
Yeah,
there
learn Linux.
yeah
Yeah,
that,
it is there.
tab bash completer యూస్ చేసేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది yeah
Okay.
that is always try to use bash completer okay so
ls minus l C
yeah
colon.
c colon slash return okay all right yeah
Yeah.
okay now all that you have to do is ssh from here do a ssh
Okay. Okay.
ssh
Sh minus I.
and Prasad at the rate whatever is the DNS name. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So as we are able to SSH into it, now see in Unix or in any programming system, now you can exit out. Okay. Now we are
Okay.
specifying this is the SSH client. Okay, we are not on the SSH server. SSH server is running where? Can you tell me where is SSH server running?
Local mission.
Uh,
Local.
SSH client is running on the local machine.
Yeah.
SSH server is actually running on the
The EC2 instance, right?
EC10.
that's right. That's very important. As long as we remember these two logical things, now we can focus on what to do. See, what needs to happen is we have a key, but Ansible to make our life easier, we can put this key in Ansible or we can put it in the SSH configuration file. Because what Ansible will do is it will when it runs the commands, what is Ansible doing? It is basically taking all the modules that you program on your local machine and running it on your remote machine. That's the main concept. Okay. Now, in order to run it onto the remote machine, in order to run it onto the remote machine, then what do we do? In order to run it into the remote machine, Ansible needs to be able to do SSH. Okay. So what we can do is either we can put the key as a reference to Ansible, but not a good practice because SSH is better where you do all the configuration. What do we want? What we want is when we say SSH into the machine, SSH client should automatically know that it is a Prasad user and the key is this one. Okay, understood the requirements? Right now we are saying SSH minus I, that is the key pair, then Prasad at the rate local machine. What we want to be able to say is SSH EC2 hyphen. Okay, got it right, Venkat? Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. So in order to do that, what we will create is, I think there is a do ls minus a, get into the ls minus a. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, if you look at it, there is a hidden folder called .ssh. Go into that folder. Okay. In the Visual Studio editor,
Okay.
remember the configuration file that you have created? Just copy one line into this file. We will create one file. Go to
Okay.
Visual Studio, go to Visual Studio editor. How that grammar is there, how that stanza అంటారు కదా దాన్ని ఆ స్టాంజా ఎలా ఉంది స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ లో ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ రైట్.
Okay. So do we need to install anything on Visual Studio for this one?
Nothing.
Ansible. Okay.
Example. First, we'll sort out the Ansible problem. Look at that. It's already open. Config. Open the config file there. Open the config. Config. Yeah. So here, just copy one line here. This line, host AWS Unix admin one or whatever. Copy
Okay.
that.
Okay. This
Yeah.
one.
Just the entire stanza. The entire stanza.
Full this one.
Stanza. Right. Exactly.
Okay.
Copy it and now go to vi.conf vi conf file, open the name config, config.
Config, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
config, enter and then paste it here. Okay, now what we need is give the host name to whatever the DNS name. The user is Prasad.
Yeah. Mm. It's not working.
User must be easy to use.
User is Prasad, that's it.
User must be easy to user.
No, it's not easy. We are going as Prasad, right? That's why we
Yeah,
created
Prasad. Yeah.
a user, no,
Yeah,
for Prasad
Something went
yeah,
wrong.
yeah. Fine, fine.
because we want to do it this way. The key is you guys need to practice this because being able to do this will prevent you from doing work. In London area, contractors will not help other contractors. Okay, all right. So paste it there, and then that is host. Yeah, type H. No, 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 type
Is
H.
something going wrong actually?
Escape
Yeah.
DD. That's it. No. Escape DD. Escape first.
I
Okay, but that's it. VI you should be very good. Otherwise, see, that's why I'll give you a lot of practice. Practice VI. Otherwise, it will take a long. Capital H on the.
When I use up and down arrows, it's going wrong actually.
No. Escape DD. Escape DD. Escape DD. That's it. Right. Instead of H, capital H, there is a capital H host.
Capital H. Okay.
Uh,
Host is
cap-
capital H, right?
capital H. Escape X. That's fine.
Okay, we
Now we
need to
hope
change the Prasad. User we need to change, right?
of VI. Okay, Prasad. User is Prasad. PR escape. Here just escape undo. Escape U undo. Yeah. Now XX. If you want to delete one character, wait.
Oh,
Undo.
it's not allowing you to type actually. This
Undo.
it's not allowing to type. I think something is wrong with this editor.
Insert చేయాలి. I.
Even though, even it is I,
Yeah, no, no, escape, X go to,
X.
X means delete one character, okay,
Let me let me close it.
identity file,
1 minute. Okay, I will do it other way around.
way how, okay,
Okay, I will do Prasad here.
that is better.
Anything we need to change here?
I'll give you some VI practice because Unix command
And
line, it should be very, and that C colon అలా ఉంది కదా, that is the one, అదేనా DNS
yeah,
name, ఉంది,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
అంతే సరే చెయ్యి అది చెయ్యి. Yeah, that is the DNS name, right? Yeah.
I will put Ansible.
Yeah. Okay, and main thing వచ్చి ఆ key ది path ఎలా అక్కడ ఉందో ఆ key path అలా పెట్టు.
This path.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to put key. Okay, pause it.
The key path. See, all that we are doing is instead of telling it from the command line, we are just asking it to go and look in the configuration file. దానికి alias ఇచ్చాను. Okay. మొత్తం తీసేది.
అన్న
C colon తీసేయి, మొత్తం C colon తీసేయి.
Need right?
తీసేయాలి. స్లాష్ C colon slash అంతే, control this. Now copy that entire stanza. Abhijit, I'll sort yours out. Just first let us fix one machine. Then VI config. ఏం కాదు. Enter కొట్టు. Insert. Paste. Yeah. Escape shift. That's it. Okay. Now cat config. Yeah. ఇప్పుడు let's do whether it has worked or not. ఎట్లా చేస్తాము? SSH
Yeah.
space AWS underscore Ansible. Tab go to.
Tab is not working.
Okay.
Config I have to use, right?
That's
File
fine.
name.
AWS underscore
File name I have to use.
Ansible. Tab is not working. Okay. All right. Tab is.
Okay, logged in as a.
Now it is good. So basically, this is the point. Okay.
Yeah.
అంటే వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్ ఇస్ ఇది చాలా మీకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ అర్థం కావడం, ఎందుకంటే మనం జాబ్లో వెళ్ళాక ఇంకో కాంట్రాక్టర్ హెల్ప్ చేయడు ఎవరికి. సో మనకి ఫస్ట్ వర్క్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఎగ్జిట్ అవుట్. యా.
Okay, so basically it's the same thing as Visual Studio, but we are doing from here.
We are just creating, see, Visual Studio or any tool, we are just
The config file is the important.
yeah. ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్లీ విజువల్ స్టూడియో రికగ్నైజ్ అవుతుందా? ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోయి ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపో ఎగ్జిట్ ఫినిష్ అండ్ దెన్ టైప్ కోడ్ డాట్.
Which one?
Code dot. So
Code
visual
dot.
code dot. Yeah.
Code.
Enter code space dot. I just want to see if we can open Visual Studio from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can open Visual Studio from there directly. Good. Okay, so you don't need to do a separate install for Visual Code Editor. You can start editing your Ansible files here. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So now Ansible connectivity, SSH connectivity is all set up. So let us stop here. Abhijit, first, now I'll share your screen. Okay. You are now everybody can see my screen, right? Let us sort out what I'm trying to do is I'm sort out Abhijit's user creation problem. Okay.
Okay.
Let us see. Okay, you guys watch what is happening. Even I don't know what is happening. But let us see how I am troubleshooting. Okay. So what is there is Abhijit now. All right.
Epuri, epuri.pem.
Yeah, yeah, I have that. So CD, what classes I have? AW. Yeah, like ఏముందిడా? Okay, CD AWS hyphen administration. No, student classes ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి? Okay.
AWS plan.
AWS container.
కంటైనర్ కాదు క్లాస్
Yeah,
అంటారు.
yeah. I have your key. I have your key.
ఓకే.
You have already this one only, right? Okay, so way to
Yeah.
read. So what we are doing in the configuration files, we can also do it from the command line. In Unix, everything is like that. Okay, either you can do it from command line, either you can do it from the configuration file. But the concept is important. So if I do SSH, right, I need to know first, because I already used the command, I don't go for man page because it is very difficult to read man page. Because I already know the concept, all I need to do is what is the address? What are they asking? What do I need? I need the identity file. Okay. So first I am going there as identity file. So what is vapuri.pm? Okay. Next, I think it is EC2 hyphen user. User. It's clearly selling. Okay. Bind address w minus w host colon part. Uh, bind interface w host colon port. It's not giving the this one. Anyway, minus w host colon part. Okay. Bind address, site spec, bind address, colon port, minus D. I don't need a bind address actually. Okay, anyway, EC2 iPhone user and he has sent me the command.
And I have sent you in the personal chat.
Yeah, yeah, I have just like looking at your this one. Okay, so what is happening here is ah, okay, open up some text. Oh, really? Yeah. This is a new key or it is not a new key, right? This is
No,
vapuri.pm.
previous one only.
It's the older key only, right? Okay.
Yeah.
As long as it's the older key, there is no problem. See, if I don't understand some of these options, then I know that I'll have to go
I
to some other things. Okay. So, are you sure? Yes. Okay. So basically, what is happening here is Prasad, right? SSH, not authorized keys. Okay, let me do one thing. All I need to do is I need to put this in my authorized keys file. So what I'll do is instead of copying and pasting it here, I can just copy this text here and check, right? That's all I need to do. Let me do AWS. Just